Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mindful Convo. Please do not forget to subscribe and like my channel. So in previous videos we have discussed about the sequences, flowcharts and type of decisions. We have also discussed about the if activity and the flow decisions. Now in this video we will discuss about the switch activity in RPA. It is one of the decision in RPA. As its name suggests, switch means to switch between the choices until we get the correct choices. Switch activity choose the best choice out of the specified choices. It is by default an integer type, but we can change it from the properties panel. Okay, so now we will do one example, that is practical implementation of switch activity in UiPath. In UiPath, as you can see that I have already taken the flow chart. The switch activity can also be used in sequence. Okay, so now in order to give the input, as usual we will choose input dialog box. Now we will connect this start button with the input dialog box and rename the input dialog box as weeks. Now we will double click and type the label as weeks dialog box. In the label text, we will describe the case in the switch case. So, first we will write the string that these are the weeks in a month. Now, if we want that this will come in another line, then we can do one thing. We will write environment dot new line plus first week first. Okay, then we will again write environment dot new line plus second week 2. Okay, plus environment dot new line plus then third is week 3 plus environment dot new line plus fourth is week 4. As we can see that there are 4 weeks in a month. Okay, so we will rename it weeks in a month. So now when we have taken this flow chart and the input dialog box, we need, first of all we need to write something in the result. We will create one variable like week. Okay, and as usual it is of int. Now in the switch case, we will drag the switch case from the activities panel and join it with the input dialog box. When we will double click on the switch case, we will see an expression bar. In this expression, we need to write the variable that we have made from the input dialog box, that is week. It's a default case, as we all know that switch case contains the cases and one default case. If we see in Java, then we have to write the switch and expression in the braces, and then we will write the cases, and after each case we need to write the break statement. But in RPA, we don't need to put any break statement. It will automatically consider the break statement after every new case. So in default, we will take one message box and rename it at default and the text must be quoted as there is no fifth week. Okay, then it's case 1 and it is showing that we have to put the value, so we will put 1 and we will drop the message box in the case 1 and rename it again week 1. The message is hi, it's week 1 of the month. Okay, then we will add the next case and put the value 2 to make it case 2, and we will add another message box in which we have written week 2 and the message will be hi, it is week 2 of the month. Now we will add a new case and write the case value 3 in which it is written one message box is also taken and it is renamed as week 3 and we have written the text as hi, it is week 3rd of the month. Okay, then we will see the last case in which we will drop the message box and we will rename the message box as week 4 and we will write in the quoted text hi, it is week 4th of the month. Let me check all these things. In case when we have write it's week 1, it's week 2, it's week 3, it's week 4. In default case we have written there is no 5th week. We can also write there is no week greater than 4. Okay, we are assuming that in 1 month there are 4 weeks. And we have seen that there is one error, that is one or more children have validation error or warnings. Okay, so let me see this. In the weeks we have typed one thing, that is result, which is of string type. Okay, in result we have given a variable as week that is a string type, but it must be of int type because we need to give the name of the case in integers. So when we will run this file, we will see the execution is still going on. Then we will see that there is a dialog box, weak dialog box. So if I will select 1 and press OK, see, I will get hi, it's week 1 of the month as message dialog box. So I will click OK. And if we run it again, and when we write 5th, there is no 5th case in this. So if I write 5th, then what it should be done? It will take us to the default case, that is there is no week greater than 4. Okay. Now we will switch over to another decision in RPA, that is flow switch. Okay guys, in flow switch, basically it is an activity that can already use in the flow chart. We can use switch activity in both sequence and flow chart, but we can't use the flow switch in sequence. Basically, this activity splits the control flow into one or more branches. One of them, only one will be executed depend upon which condition is met. We can connect any of the cases with the same switch node. We can even change the name of the cases from the properties panel. So now we will switch over to the practical part of the flow switch. So I am only editing this switch case and replacing it with the flow switch. As we can see that there are dots. These are 12 in numbers, so we can take 12 cases in a one flow switch. First of all, we need to connect this input box, and when we click on the switch, we will see in the properties panel that there is an expression bar at the right of the window. So in expression, we will write week, that we have made the variable that is stored in the result of the input dialog box. After writing the week, when we need to take the message box. Since we know that we have 4 cases, so we need to take the 5 dialog box, in which one is for the default case and other ones are for the 4 cases. Okay. So when we try to connect the message box, see, it is by default has taken the default case. We can also rename this default case, and also if we remove this tick, then it is taken as one of the cases. But since we need to take one default case also, so we can kept it as it is. So in the message box, as usual, we need to rename as default case. Then the text must be quoted as same, there is no week greater than 4. Okay. Then in the next, when we connect the next message box with the switch case, then it is automatically has taken the 0 case. Okay. We can see here also, we can also change the name of the case, but since it is more readable, so we don't change the name of the case. We will rename the message box as case 0. Okay, let's take case 1 and we will rename it as 1. Otherwise, we will get confused. Okay. Now, when we double click on it, the text must be quoted as the week. This is the first week of month. Okay. Let's do same in each and every message box. When we connect this, let's take the second case and rename the message box as case 2, and we will write the quoted text as this is the second week of the month. Now we will connect this message box, and as usual we will change the name to third, and we will rename the message box as case 3, and we will write the text as this is the third week of the month. Okay, now the last one is the fourth case. Let's rename it as case 4. Here we also have to replace the 0 with the 4 and double click on the view, and then we need to write this is the fourth week of the month. Okay, so as we can see that we are done with this flow switch, so we need to run the file. The execution is still running. Now we have got the input dialog box. These are the weeks in a month 1, 2, 3 and 4. So when I will write the first and put on OK, then I will get this is the first week of the month, that is it is taking the case 1. Okay, and when we will run it again, then I am getting another input box. Wait, the execution is still running. Now I'm getting the another input box, and if we write another case, that is 5, and press OK, then see it is taking the default case. There is no week greater than 4. I hope it is much easier than before to understand. So thank you so much guys, and stay tuned for the next videos. Goodbye.